Struggling to pick the perfect note-taking app? Let's settle the GoodNotes versus Freeform debate in just 90 seconds. First up, GoodNotes. Open the app and tap the New button to create a new notebook. Choose from a variety of templates and paper styles to suit your needs, from lined paper to Cornell notes. Use your Apple Pencil to write naturally, highlighting important points and sketching diagrams. The handwriting recognition is excellent, allowing you to search your handwritten notes later. You can also easily insert images and PDFs for annotation. Now, let's dive into Freeform. This app offers a vast, limitless canvas. Tap anywhere to add a sticky note, type text, or draw freehand. The drawing tools are simple but effective for quick sketches and brainstorming. You can insert images, videos, and even web links directly onto the board. Freeform really shines when collaborating. Multiple users can work on the same board in real time. GoodNotes excels in structured note-taking with its notebook system and powerful annotation features. It's ideal for students and professionals who need organized, searchable notes. Freeform, on the other hand, is perfect for visual brainstorming, collaborative projects, and mood boarding, all thanks to its open canvas and real-time collaboration capabilities. One major advantage for GoodNotes is searchable functionality. Freeform can easily become chaotic without careful organization. Price-wise, GoodNotes requires a one-time purchase, while Freeform is completely free with your iCloud account. So, which app wins? It depends on your specific needs. If you crave structured notes and powerful organization, choose GoodNotes. For visual brainstorming and collaborative projects, Freeform is the way to go. Let us know your favorite note-taking app in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful app comparisons.